Welcome back to Abyssale 101. Want to hyper-personalize images instantly without redesigning each one? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Abyssale's dynamic image URLs to create personalized visuals for your emails, digital ads, and much more, all through a single customizable URL. Think of dynamic URLs as your personalization magic wand. They let you create eye-catching custom images for each recipient in your campaigns, all automatically and in real time. For this tutorial, I'll use a welcome message design I've already created. Let's jump right in. Starting with your chosen design, navigate to the Dynamic Image URL tab and click Create New Dynamic Image URL. To customize your URL, click Build URL to access the URL Builder interface. This tool helps you construct your URL without having to check documentation. It's a visual way to pre-fill your URL with the elements you want to customize. Pro tip: before you begin, make sure your design has clear layer naming. Good organization will make managing dynamic elements much easier. The URL Builder interface has 3 main sections. At the top, you'll find the Format selector where you can choose from available formats in your design. For this demo, we'll use a welcome message design for new users that will later integrate into our emails. In the middle, the Content Customization section displays all available layers on the left. Each toggle controls whether a layer can be modified, and the preview updates in real time. Remember, toggling elements here is just to help you build your URL. It doesn't affect the design itself. Now let's personalize it for our use case. To make our welcome message dynamic, let's start with the text name layer. By clicking Payload, we mark it as personalizable. Let's change the default text Alessandro to Nicolas and check the result with Generate Preview. At the bottom, you'll find the generated URL that serves as the foundation for all your variations. Back on the dynamic URL dashboard, you'll discover usage statistics in real time at the center. The dynamic URL is accessible just below, and all generated variations are presented in a grid for easy visual tracking. Detailed logs are available via the 3 dots in the top right corner, allowing you to monitor each generation with precision. Let's see a concrete example of using this in a welcome email. By embedding this dynamic URL in your email template's HTML code, you can use merge tags from platforms like MailChimp, SendGrid, or HubSpot to dynamically insert each recipient's name. This creates a personalized image that's generated instantly when the email is opened. You're now ready to create hyper-personalized, scalable visuals with Abyssale's dynamic image URLs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that will help you free up your creativity and save time on repetitive tasks.